There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Dodge Durango GT Plus with bifunction LED projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 2,000 miles on the odometer, touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, remote start system, heated rear seats, third row seating, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.